5 seconds to go. Start. So far as the object of enacting the POCSO Act is concerned, as transpiring from the statement of objects and reasons, since the sexual offences against children were not adequately addressed by the existing laws, and a large number of such offences were neither specifically provided for nor were they adequately penalized, the POCSO Act was enacted to protect the children from the offences of sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography, and to provide for establishment of special courts for trial of such offences and for matters connected therewith and incidental thereto. While enacting the said Act, Article 15 of the Constitution, which empowers the state to make special provisions for children, and the Convention on the Rights of the Child, adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations as acceded to by the Government of India, prescribing a set of standards to be followed by all the state parties in securing the best interest of the child, were also kept in view. The POCSO Bill, intended to enforce the rights of all children to safety, security, and protection from sexual abuse and exploitation, and also intended to define explicitly the offences against children countered through commensurate penalties as an effective deterrence. Now, from the bare reading of Section 7 of the Act, which pertains to the sexual assault, it appears that it is in two parts. The first part of the section mentions about the act of touching the specific sexual parts of the body with sexual intent. The second part mentions about any other act done with sexual intent which involves physical contact without penetration. Since the bone of contention is raised by learned senior advocate Mr. Luthra with regard to the words touch and physical contact used in the said section, it would be beneficial first to refer to the dictionary meaning of the said words. The word touch, as defined in the Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, means the sense that enables you to be aware of things and what are like when you put your hands and fingers on them. The word physical, as defined in the Advanced Law Lexicon, 3rd edition, means of or relating to body, and the word contact means the state of condition of touching, touch, the act of touching. Thus, having regard to the dictionary meaning of the words touch and physical contact, the courts finds much force in the submission of Miss Geeta Luthra, learned senior advocate appearing for the National Commission for Women, that both the said words have been interchangeably used in Section 7 by the legislature. The word touch has been used specifically with regard to the sexual parts of the body, whereas the word physical contact has been used for any other act. Therefore, the act of touching the sexual part of body or any other act involving physical contact, if done with sexual intent, would amount to sexual assault within the meaning of Section 7 of the POCSO Act. Stop.